All right, welcome to Life RX. Today we're going to talk about how I can relate it to your pain in your neck, in your shoulder, and in your lower back. A lot of people come in the clinic, we do massage, they still feel discomfort, the pain, they can't turn, it's painful for them, it's turning, and I'll be honest with you, it's not in the neck. Sometimes it's in our eye, it's in our vision, because our vision, it's very deep related to your brain, and if you something up there is something is not working correctly, that vision can be effective. The whole posture, all your movements, range of motion, and it's truly affect your life. You who live in pain. So, and I've been doing this neuro training. I've been study those classes, and it's amazing because I'm practicing on myself. I'm practicing on my client, and it's get some imagine like magical result. It's just bam right away. For some people, it's just snap release. So our tension in our eye, we have all deep six muscle around our eye, and if we are sitting at the computer, if we focus on one spot all the time, your eyes get tired, and guess what, they turn that neck positioning, your posture, to hold, to look at this screen all the time, especially if you have a double screen. Some people have a triple screen, whatever, they look this way, they jam, the eye position, it's stuck. And that's to unlock it, you need to do same thing, training as you train your muscle, the regular muscle. That's the deep six muscle around your eye. It's also tongue positioning, it's affected. Your cheek, your bite, it's everything is up there. Today we're going to talk about the eye. So for this class, if you experience any pain, discomfort, stop doing this exercise and see the professional in your area. So the first thing first, I want to feel that, and I want to prove my brain, my eye is connected to whole thing, to whole neck, to rotation, to extension, flexion. What I'm doing, two fingers, I'm going to place that right in the back of my skull, right in this area. And all I'm going to do, I'm start looking left and right, up and down. And what I'm doing that, I feel that movements right in here. I feel that movements. The muscle is moving. So everything is related. I prove to my brain the eye is affect my posture and my neck positioning. Okay, so first thing first, we're going to take that tension away. We're going to massage our eye. So what we're doing, we find that right in that mid spot. You're going to feel that little groove. Usually I take a big thumb and I push it right up there. So I close my eyes and I push it very gently. I don't push too hard. I'm holding it. And when I'm pushing it, I feel where is the more tension, on my left eye, on my right one, and it's in my left. So what I'm doing, I just release that where is the tension a lot. So left a lot of tension, I release it, and I push only on the right side. It's kind of assessment and a treatment at the same time. And you can go in the bottom, it's right in here in this area. So two fingers, don't push too hard. You can close your eyes. Midline right in here. So basically you'll work around that eye. You don't poke your eye, all right? You still need one. Only if you don't want to be a pirate. All right, here we go. Next one, we're going to do next test. I'm already feel great. It's actually, my head is get lighter. A lot of headache, a lot of migraine. This is affect your eye. So now two fingers again. You're going to push this two fingers on your eye very gently, 1 pound pressure. And when you release that, you're going to blink in for 10 seconds, very fast. Okay, so let's push it on that eye. Push, take a breathe. And open eye and start blinking. And release. See how you feel. Next one, we're going to do this 3 times. Fuck. All right, let's do one more time. Push again. Hold it. If you feel like dizziness, stop. Let it go and start blinking. And what I feel my left one is get a little bit problem, but I know what's going to happen. So I'm already been working on that exercise, and my left is the problem. But you might have different. Oh yeah. So now you can do the third time. Now we're going to check our neck. So let's say I'm pretty good to the right, no problem. Left is a little bit kind of stuck in this, kind of a little bit limited. So always remember, if something decreases your range of motion, you go into the wrong way. So sometimes, yes, it can be aggravated. Sometimes it's released at that point. So we're going to think about, we got 9 points of attachment. So it's going to be 3 points, 1 point above us, in the middle, and down. And 3 more points on the side, up, middle, and down. So this is our point. We're going to pointing this pen away and the distance of your arm. Don't try to go too far. Don't try to do those sticks or something. So it have to be on the distance of your arm. Now we test our neck. So left one is right there. I can feel that stuck. And remember, if something decrease that, like I said, increase it, that limitation, decrease, you just be careful and work to opposite way. All right, so 3 points, and let's do up. 10 seconds. We're going to hold 10 seconds each spot. In a video shortage, we're going to do only 5 seconds. So I look up, both eyes. You look up. Release it, try to turn. Does that help? Yes, it's already helped me. Go midline. Try to turn. Does that help? It's probably the same. Down. Oh yeah, don't move your head. You see, the head is always only your eyes. So your eyes, your head is kind of jammed. If you feel your head is coming up all the time or moving, get one finger and touch your chin like this. And let it go. Try to turn. Does that help? No big difference. Now the third point, the away on the right side. So I'm lock it in. And it's really discomfort for me to look that way because the left eyes kind of do crazy stuff, like a Steve Buscemi. I can tell. It's really uncomfortable. Can I bring it a little bit closer? It's a little bit better. So the more away my left eye is giving me the problem. Let's turn around, and I can tell it's giving me the more that limitation. So my brain think it's a threat, it's a danger. So you don't like to watch this way because I'm always, when I do work computer, I look that way, and my body like this way to watch. That's what the create problem, because if you look all the time, it's get jammed, your eyes get tired, everything is locked, you try to stretch, your people try to do, and it's create pain. So this one, I need to be gentle. Let's do midline. This one is more. Less sensitive, let's say this way. Release, turn, and it's help. So this point is aggravated. Do I want to go to this point? No. Now down. Release and try to turn. Is that getting better? Yes. Now 3 points up here to the left. I'm lock it in and use this hand. I can go midpoint right away without turning and down. Release that and turn. Look at that. My neck is turning without any problem. I don't feel restrictions, and it's feel great. So do this exercise. Be gentle to yourself, nice, and don't rush. Always don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to do this first. Improve your brain, your eyes related to your muscle, which is do. Do some self-massage around your eye. Push the pressure. And do the 9 points of activation. Next one, we're going to do check with our lower back. A lot of people, it's actually another exercise. So your lower back is stiff. You try to bend. Let's test it. So you're probably not going to see that one. But if I lean forward and I feel a little bit restrictions. So in this case, we're going to play this game. We're going to do conversion, diversion. So when you conversion is you bring too close to your body towards your nose and away. Use the red, something like colorful green, and all you do, you start bringing it to your nose and away. When you see that double it, like two pans come in, yeah, be gentle to yourself. I've been practicing for a couple weeks, so it's not splitted, but you might feel that two pans, but be gentle towards your nose and away. Okay? Next exercise is going to be circle. We're going to be circle that way, also circle around in this different plan. You can circle in front of you this way. So only watch with your eye. Lock it in. I use my right arm and I go around. And see which way is hard to look. And what about there? That's the spot is bothering me. So again, you can go opposite way. Let it go. You can go circle in front. You see, I'm trying to move my head. Let it go. You can do circle this way, like a spiral. It's like spiral. And let it go. Let's try our bending again. If this is improvement, great. And this is a great tool. Look at that. I'm definitely can touch the ground. If you don't, that's fine. But this is release that tension, which has been tension in my eye, release the whole kinetic line in my body. And it's helped me to move. Look at my neck. I don't feel the restrictions anymore. I do feel my jaw and my tongue is also related to this issue, but we're gonna learn this in the next class. The last one, we're gonna do this close eyes and open eye to bring the object close to us, our nose, and away. So you open your eyes, you look at that pan, you bring it towards, close your eyes, away, open eyes again. Bring it, watch, close your eyes, bring it away, open up. Bring, close, away. Open up, bring, and away. So if this is improve it, try to check again. Every movements you done, every exercise, recheck your postural. Is that getting better? No, it's actually increased more. So what about we going to look at the pan away and bring it back with closing eyes. So it's a different act. We're watching when we come in. Next one, you're going away, close your eyes, bring it, open eyes, and away. Look. You see, it's so you look at away, close, bring it. Sometimes you make those mistakes, it's fine. Open up, close, bring. Very slowly, open up, away, close. Bring it back with closed eyes, open up, bring the pen away. Now retest again. And look at this, I touch the ground again. So those exercise is really related to your eye. And just guess what? This guy control everything and he create more pain than everything in your body. It's nothing in your muscle. It's nothing in your spine. It's in your brain. It's your nerve system and the fascia. That's why we're doing massage, more fascial release. This is important to make sure everything is moving because what's happening, we're stuck in one position all the time and that's the issue. So use it, be healthy, book therapy if you're in Los Angeles. If not, in your area, find those specialists who can help you, who can work on you and improve your life, improve your movements. This is all about. You guys have a wonderful day. Subscribe and learn.